Dust kicks up beneath my boots. A trail I've known since I was young. The sun sinks slow, painting the land. Shadows stretch where rivers run. Each mile I ride feels like a prayer, whispered to the open air. I ride until the sky turns gold, where freedom sings and stories unfold. Where the wind knows my name, and the world feels wild untamed. I ride, oh wild, untamed. I ride, oh I ride, until the sky turns gold. Coyotes call beneath the moon, a haunting tune that chills my bones. But in their cry I hear the past, the echo of lives carved in stone. This land, it speaks in tongues of fire, of dreams that never die.